this is the 1/400 scale Gemini Jets, Northwest Airlines Boeing 787-8. This model is produced by Gemini Jets in 2006 and carries the Northwest Airlines final silver and red livery. The airline aircraft wore from 2003 to the airline's merger with Delta Airlines in 2010. The aircraft would have been powered by two Rolls Royce Trent 1000 high bypass turbofans, producing up to about 64,000 pounds force or 280 kilonewtons each. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 359 passengers, depending on configuration. This aircraft has a regular cruise speed of 488 knots or 903 kilometers an hour, with a range of 7,300 nautical miles or 13,600 kilometers. As a note for collectors, this model is of an aircraft that was never produced. Originally, Northwest Airlines ordered 18 787-8s in 2005 for a total of $2.2 billion. This order would have made Northwest the original operator of the 787 in North America. The order was initially supposed to be delivered to Northwest Airlines in 2008. However, due to development delays, the aircraft was not delivered before Northwest Airlines' merger with Delta Airlines in 2010. Initially, this order was maintained by Delta Airlines after the merger, but the order was then deferred to 2020. Due to the development of the Airbus A350 and the shift of the fleet from Boeing and McDonnell Douglas aircraft to Airbus sealed the fate of the Northwest Delta order for the 787-8. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you want to keep up with our video feed, please hit that black subscribe button below your screen. Right now, over 80% of our viewers are not subscribers, so if you don't want to miss another one of these videos, please subscribe. If you want to watch other videos, please select one of the links shown here. Thank you, and good day.